water is boiled. You want enough water to cover the quantity of your dumpling so they're able to float. And then you pick up your dumpling, gently get closest to the water. Let the grown-up to do it. Children, please do not do this, okay? So you don't get yourself burnt. And do not, be very careful, don't drop it from high because the water spill and you can get hurt. So bravely enough to go lowest to the water so the dumpling land into the water very soft and gently. No big spill to hurt you. And my son made this. Right, so now you have got a spoon here. Use this side, wrong side. Push the water, not the dumpling, like a wave. Push the water. Push the water. So let the dumpling start spinning in the water. Do not go to push the dumpling itself because you can break it. So once they start spinning like that, they will not stick on the bottom of the pan anymore, the pot. So we can cover it a little bit. Keep an eye on it. Look, they are all floating. They are cooked. So you use your skimmer, cook them up. Drain the water a little bit. So they will not be soaked on the plate or get stuck. And drain water. Put it there. Once it's all nice, dry and cool down, you can also gently shallow fry it and for crispy golden skin. Lots of people really actually like the fried dumpling. Or you can eat them fresh like this. Dip them into vinegar, soy sauce, sesame seeds oil with a little bit ginger or tiny little bit of spring onion sauce. It's all very beautiful. Or you can simply eat it plain. I like to have them with some vinegar. Okay. There you are. You know how to make Chinese dumpling. The very traditional way. You can also just buy the frozen dumpling from the Chinese supermarket. You can also buy the frozen packet of the dumpling wrapper and save all the hassle of hand make them. But actually the handmade ones taste much better. Okay,